looking at gun violence as a health crisis. So how can we cure a problem that has taken so many lives day after day after day in our community?
Fox 8's Aaliyah Sims is here in the studio to show us how Guilford County's health director is helping with the solution. Aaliyah.
Well, Dr. Julia Van spent the last 8 months examining the root causes of gun violence. Like any other disease, she wants to know what's causing it, why it's spreading, and how to cure it.
Compared to other communicable or chronic diseases, gun violence often poses a larger burden on society in terms of potential years of life lost.
Those shooting victims could have died in homicides, suicides, domestic violence, or been an unintentional target.
Collecting and distributing reliable firearm data is essential to combating gun violence through this public health framework.
Combating gun violence is something Ingram Bell, who runs the nonprofit Gate City Coalition, has dedicated her life to.
It's exciting to have health officials on board to understand those that commit these type of crimes, to have access to help and things that they need.
Bell feels this gives a holistic healing to the problem.
It gives more focus on the person and not just a situation. So instead of, possibly being on the street selling drugs, they could possibly take a CDL class or start barber school or start beauty school.
Dr. Van has a human-centered approach in what her team is doing. She wants to make sure they think about everyone through the process.
We must craft interventions that address the risk factors, and then also these interventions should be routinely tested to ensure their effectiveness, making sure that they're addressing the situation in an equitable fashion, and then they're also rigorously evaluated just to make sure that they continue to be successful.
So if you change someone's norms, change somebody's behavior, change somebody's thoughts, change somebody's ideas, they can then change somebody else's mind, change somebody else's thoughts, give them the help and the resources that they had, and it can spread. And if that spreads, the positive spreads, then there is a way that we could definitely decrease the numbers that we do have.
Dr. Van has scheduled more than a dozen listening sessions over the last 4 months with these organizations and people who are extremely dedicated to addressing gun violence.
Some of the trends that came out of these conversations: community ownership and involvement. Everybody feels like it is incredibly important to hear the voice of the community.
The community has a better chance to become healed and whole versus being broken and shattered.
And Dr. Van plans to have listening sessions with Guilford County Schools, Juvenile Court, and the Guilford County Sheriff's Office. Neil?
All right, Aaliyah, thank you.